No. 27. Left of 19. You guys see him right over there, just below the number 27, left of 19, yeah. Where I'm shooting. Bear, come around this side. Yeah, see him sticking his head up? Yeah. All right, Bear, I'm gonna shoot at him. You move up to 38, okay? 38 right here, you see it? Yeah. Go. Watch out, he's coming up around the right. Kenny, follow me, Kenny, follow me. Watch dude coming around the right side. Bear, keep your gun up when you put your head out. All right, guys. Bear, go around behind this castle thing. There, stay nice and low. You go all the way to the edge of it, love. This way.
We got someone in the building right behind 39.
Can you scoot up just a little so we can get by? All right, Bear, you see this window right in front of us? Yeah. Where I'm shooting? Yeah. Suppress that guy. Suppress? Suppress! All right, Bear, all suppress. You move up. All right, this way, Bear, this way, this. Behind cover, behind cover. All right, guys, we're gonna move up this. Watch out, right there, white t-shirt. Hit! All right, Kenny, you're in charge.